Oh, another fan submission. This was the best frickin' video I've seen in such a long time, you guys. Oh my god. Talk about TLC. We've been talking about TLC a lot.
I haven't seen this yet, so I'm excited.
So this comes from Discovery.
Oh.
And it's a
competitor.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. They're like, hang on, guys. We got to stop making... Wait, Planet Earth? No. Fucking cancel that. We're working on a new show called Diagnose This.
Okay.
Or Diagnose Me. And we're going to do epic reenactments of these diseases. Now, this guy, Ron, suffers from ceaseless belching and he cannot stop burping.
Really?
He cannot stop burping. All right, here we go.
His wife, Sue.
Have a good day.
Recently, he had started his own business.
That's love, baby. We have kiss like a patty love. And horse
I
struck.
was just working on growing my business.
Look at this dum-dum. This is the reenactment.
Good as new. That gives you any more problems.
I was
you let me know.
confused. I was like, what am I watching?
What?
So the burping sound is insane. It's always like, and what I soon learned is that the burping soundbite they use is a soundbite from the actual guy.
It is.
So he's actually, so what they're doing is playing the actual burp from the
What?
guy every time.
They say that?
No, you could tell because they show one brief clip of the actual guy burping. And so they use that one soundbite and they use it every time in this reenactment. And it's the same soundbite.
Oh my God.
It's amazing.
Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am.
It started gradually.
So dramatic.
And he's so like, it's like you just burped.
Yeah.
And he's always like, I'm so sorry, ma'am. But he's sad.
I would be able to control it, you know, when I was at the customer's house. And then when I went
This is him, the
outside
real
to
guy.
the truck, I'd just belch and belch and belch
Here you
until
go.
I got the pressure off of me. Jeez. It seemed crazy.
I love this guy.
Ron's belching gets more frequent.
I'm sorry, babe. I can't help it.
I belched for maybe 20, 30 minutes. Then I would not belch for
Sounds like
maybe
a frog.
an hour, and then it'd start up again. I couldn't sleep.
But what I don't understand is why do you have to burp so loud? Just close your mouth.
Well,
You don't have to burp loud.
I don't think he can control it. That's. There's a show about it. I don't think he can control it.
Well, he's burping a lot, but I mean, you can control how loud you burp. You can go, or you can be like,
Not always.
really? I've never heard you burp. What do you know about it?
I see people burp.
But you burp quietly, right? Because you're a lady.
I don't burp.
Yeah, exactly.
At least one of us should sleep.
You know, go
I
out
love
on
that
the
line.
front
At least
porch.
one of us should sleep. Look at his face.
My neighbors
It's
up.
like he can't be part of society.
Look at his face, dude.
Wake my neighbors up.
Shut up.
He literally said he wakes his neighbors
After a
up.
series of tests, his doctor has ruled out a bowel obstruction and suggests it's all in Ron's head.
Stop thinking about it so much.
Give me a break. You can't eat.
All these shots
Can't
are so
sleep.
dramatic.
What are you supposed to do?
Like
you know?
the angle.
Ron has been belching nonstop for months.
No one has been
Here.
able to figure out
That's
what's
it.
wrong.
Because that's a burp. I've never heard a burp like
Yeah.
that in my life. And so
Yeah.
it has to be they're using that soundbite.
Going to dozens of doctors, the one cure that seemed
Yeah,
to work
fucking get
just
it out.
stopped working.
Belch
Look at
can
that.
come back
Look at that
with
face.
a vengeance.
Look at this reaction.
That seemed to work just stopped working,
Belch can come back with a vengeance.
leaving Ron so desperate he wants to kill himself.
And then
Oh
there,
my God, he wants to kill himself?
well,
It's
yeah.
just a
No,
burp.
I know. I feel bad for the guy, but like they do this sound editing where they'll take the soundbite burp like here, and then they'll like dampen it so it seems like he's far away, but they're just using the same soundbite.
And Ron's so desperate he wants to kill himself.
Can I walk out
The
in front of one
show
of
is
these
like
cars?
not helping him.
Just end it all?
when his
No, they're
wife
making him look
They're
like a
shooting
kook.
it like
Yeah.
like he's
All the time, just
turning into a wolf.
it's like a
I don't
Stephen
know.
King novel, but yeah, he's like a werewolf. What is happening to me?
Sue finds out what's going on, she panics and calls 911.
They brought me to the emergency room. They looked over my records. They said, there's nothing we can do for you.
Look at the
Ron's
shot.
case is assigned to mental health counselor Lisa Gusson.
Right this way?
Her questions open up
Look at all
a
these
deep
angles.
reservoir of pent-up
Also,
anxiety.
he does this. The actor when he burps. I didn't see the guy do that.
He just fit every criteria for anxiety and depression. He fit it.
So anyway, it turns out he needed an antidepressant.
Really?
And he was manifesting anxiety in
Wow.
an unusual way. And he's cured now from
I believe it.
You do?
I do.
Well, it's on Discovery. It can't be wrong. They wouldn't lie to us. Hit me with that soundbite, Zach. That's the burp. The first time I saw this,
Unbelievable.
I wish I could watch the first time with you guys, because the first time I saw this, I was just
Ethan was like crying. He was like,
I was
"Oh my
oh
song.
my God.
It's so good."
So fun.
To the T.
Look at
She
that.
diagnoses Ron with a
He's
rare
like-
form of
Look at this,
generalized
the way they edit it. It's like
He does this. Like he's burping like 1,000 times a day, and he's surprised every time it happens.
disorder combined with clinical depression.
I have both of
Anxiety.
those things. I don't burp. I guess I got other problems.
It stimulates the brain in a certain area.
I love that. That
That's
video is a
amazing.
freaking gem, my dudes. So shout out.